Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use bonus in 888 stars. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 888 stars account, and to do this you click on register. Next you click on full, then you fill out all this information, and all down to your promo code section you are going to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you will get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you are going to earn $150. All you have to do is to click directly on the menu icon at the bottom right. Next, you're going to click on deposit. So first of all, what you have to do is to make a deposit directly into your 888 stars account, so you can benefit of all the advantages which are available only by using the promo code mentioned earlier. So once you have selected your method and then you have proceeded to your deposit, you will find out that the bonus will directly be applied to your 888 stars. And to verify your bonus, you are just going to click on your account balance. Then you are going to find out that you have a bonus account just beneath the main account. So you find out the balance in your main account and in your bonus account. So what you are going to do next is simply to click on popular, and here you are going to find out many betting options like top pre-matches, like live matches. So what you're going to do is simply to place bets by clicking on any of these bets and click on add to bet slip and place the right bets. Now you're going to click on your bet slip icon, and here you're going to find out where you can directly place the bets. So what you're going to do is to select your bonus account to play this game. So once you have selected your bonus account, you're just going to enter the amount to which you want to bet on this accumulator, and next you're going to click on bet. Now once your bet is placed, you are just going to wait until the result come out, and if the result is positive, you will earn all the money from this bet directly into your main account, even though it is from your bonus account. So once it is in your main account, you'll be able to withdraw it simply by clicking to menu icon, then on the setting icon at the top right, next on the withdraw from account icon. Here you're going to proceed by directly withdrawing your money and cashing out all the money, including the bonus money, from your account, and it's as simple as that.